Welcome to this video, where we will explore the world of geography. We'll delve into its origins, history, its role in our daily lives, and why it is a critical subject for various competitive exams. What is geography? It originates from the Greek word geographia, meaning a complete description of the Earth. It is the study of the relationship between humans and the environment, and a science of spatial variations, covering weather, soil, rivers, and population patterns. Let's look at key figures in geography. Eratosthenes, the father of geography, coined the term and measured Earth's circumference. Hecataeus is known for systematic descriptions, and Alexander von Humboldt is recognized as the father of modern scientific geography. Why should we study geography? It provides essential knowledge about the environment, helps with disaster management through risk assessment, aids in sustainable resource management, and gives us a global perspective on world cultures and geopolitics. Geography also enhances our daily lives. It improves spatial awareness for navigation, helps us plan daily routines based on weather, and guides us in making informed decisions about where we live for a better, safer lifestyle. In business, geography is a powerful tool. It informs location strategy for stores, optimizes supply chains and logistics for efficient delivery, and helps in mapping market demand based on regional needs. For travel and exploration, geography is indispensable. It assists with route planning using maps, helps in choosing the best travel seasons, offers insights into local cultures, and ensures safer journeys by highlighting hazardous conditions. Why is geography crucial for competitive exams? It is a high-scoring subject in major exams like the UPSC, forms the backbone of general awareness, and provides the necessary context to understand complex international relations and geopolitics. Geography is broadly divided into two branches: physical geography, which studies natural components like landforms and climate, and human geography, which examines the interactions within human societies, economies, and political structures. Geography is full of fascinating facts. For instance, Eratosthenes calculated Earth's size centuries ago using only shadows. The Mariana Trench is deep enough to submerge Mount Everest, and the Atacama Desert is the driest place on Earth. In our digital age, technologies like GIS and GPS are vital. They support urban planning, disaster management, navigation, weather forecasting, and even precision applications like geofencing for delivery and marketing. Thank you for watching. Remember, geography is not just a subject, it is a lens through which we better understand our Earth and our lives. See you in the next video.